So I promised you Allen and Ginter retail, and that's what I have. One blaster and two of the value packs. These have 3 packs each and has 3 exclusive gold parallel cards, I guess total. I don't know if those are, oh yeah, they're in their own little individual pack. No guaranteed hits in any of this, although you can get autos and relics in both the packs and the blaster. The blaster box has 7 packs plus 1 extra pack. I love how they say that. Just say 8 packs already, okay? Let's don't play around. We're going to start off with these. Let's see what the gold cards look like. If I can get them out of here. Alright. Oh, wow, they're minis. Well, I can already tell you who I have without even opening the pack. Gordon Severino and Blake Trinan. Guess we could open them anyways and see what the back looks like. I guess it's possible to get A and G back of the gold version. I don't really know. Let's see. These are not. These are all plain back. The Gordon, Luis Severino, and Blake. They look pretty good. I don't remember these being in retail last year. Of course, my memory's not the best. Alright, let's crack into these packs. Alright. Diaz, a Ted Williams mini, regular back. Alkaline, a Arabian horse. Eddie Rosario and Ryan Yarbrough. I was staring at that Rosario because I thought it was Ahmed, and I thought, why is he in a Twins uniform? Anderson, I can't talk today. Ugh, I'm so tired. Yelich, Ginter Greats, Honus Wagner. Oh, another little Chihuahua. A Chihuahua. And Cedric Mullins rookie card. Last pack. Muncie, Cousins, Yount, Altuve, baseball star signs, and Gil Hodges mini, regular back, and Canseco. Alright, next value pack. See who our minis are. Oh, nice. Ted Williams, and I see Acuna. Let's see who the third person is. And look again to see if there's any A and G backs. So there's Ted Williams, regular back. Acuna, regular. And Lou Brock, regular. Still, that was a much better gold pack that time around. Alright, here are my, none of them look fat, so no relics. Mookie, Aguilar, Harold Baines, Thor's Hammer, Incredible Equipment, another Canines, Borzo, I don't know, and that artist, Cito, Miami Cito. Gray. Whoa, easy. Calm down. Josh James rookie. Mini. Regular back. Alonzo Rowdy rookie. One of the airplane cards. Concord. And Roger Clemens. And that is it for that's it for, oh wait, no it's not. I've got one more. Hang on. Getting ahead of myself. David Price, a David Bott mini regular back, Bauer, Lou Brock. This is a high number SP, which I did do the homework on that finally. Cards, the regular set goes to 300, and then from like 301 to 350 don't exist for some reason, and then from there on up are high number SPs. So that's that. David Ortiz, baseball star signs, and Tulowitzki. Oh, boy, does he look different in that Yankees uniform. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, now we can check out the blaster box. $48 cards total in this. No fat packs. It doesn't look like we got anything crazy here. Could still get an auto though. I imagine it's pretty tough. Let's see if the full-size autograph, red ink parallel, 1 in 100,000. What's the easiest autograph to get? Is what I'm looking for here. You know what? I need to do a search for no number cards. I don't think I've done that. I think that's only on minis. Stained glass. I haven't caught a glimpse of those. Those are 1 in 704 packs. And a Brooklyn back, 1 in 352. I'm still looking for the easiest autograph. It just says cut signature, 1 in 294,000. What in the world? Surely that's not the easiest. I don't know the way they've got it. It looks like they're not in order of easiest to toughest to get, so I don't know. There's my answer. I don't know. Ooh, there we go. Finally got a Guerrero Jr. rookie. I didn't get any of those in my hobby boxes. Yellow Labrador. There's a different canine. Reese, Arcia, Yastrzemski, Ginter Greats, and there's Ahmed Rosario in his Mets uniform. Reese Hoskins, Abreu mini. That is another regular back. Nolan Ryan, Tommy Lasorda. This is also a high number SP. The Lockheed SR71 and Bogarts. Tatis Jr. rookie. There's been some good rookies in this blaster. Giancarlo, Matt Schumacher, George Brett mini. There's an A&G back. Merlin Staff, Incredible Equipment, and Brian Dozier. Bob Gibson, a mini Trey Turner's falling out of, I mean Justin Turner's falling out of here. A&G back. Ozzie Albies, Warren Spahn. Yeah, that is another high number SP. Ripken, Star Signs, and Kershaw. Al Kaline, Ginter Greats, Mike Trout. We got something in here. Look at that. Hang on. Let's see. Wait for it. Chipper Jones. Cool. Hang on. New to the Zoo. Lion Cub. Look at this. Chipper Jones relic. Mini framed relic. Wow. Nice. This is cooler than just about any, I think, than any of the hits I got in the hobby boxes. Nice, cool. And Ortiz. Roberto Alomar. Cousins, Encarnacion, a Gregorius mini black border. and Illusion Horse and Young. 2 more packs. Butcher, Comedian, LeMahieu, Roger Clemens Mini, regular back. Yelich, Scherzer, Baseball Star Signs, Garrett Cole. Last pack. Mark McGuire, I didn't get him in that other boxes. Joey Votto, Jenkins, I thought so, he's another high number, SP. Zach Greinke, A&G back. Ginter Greats, Jackie Robinson, and Lou Gehrig. He's just a regular card. Well, that was pretty good. The rack packs weren't so great, but the blaster box delivered some goods. And I really am, you know what, as far as those rack packs go, though, I am a fan of these gold borders. Those are pretty sweet. So anyways, that's it. Allen and Ginter 2019 retail. Thanks for watching. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.